for cappuccino at night.
So we are done for the day. Let's go to Zostel. So that is the entrance. This is the lawn area, the walkway, and towards the dam. They could actually allow people from right up there, where there is a car over there. I don't think you can see it through this, but yeah, there is a car there. It's very close by from there. There are stairs, but you're not allowed to come that way. You need to come all the way around, buy a ticket. See, that's the entrance there, and we came walking all this way. It's quite far. Whoa, look at this. Look at the amount of honeybee hives here. And the water is let out really slow, but all three doors are open here. Yeah, there are three doors and all three doors are open. It doesn't splash off, it just flows straight down. Come, let's walk down. Mom, we come so far. We got to go up close. Hey, rope where ah? Oh, there is. You guys see this barbed wire? It's barricaded here. That's why I couldn't go up close, but yeah, it was pretty close enough. So we have a long walk up again, as usual. Let's go. We need to go up to Chembra peak as well today. That was the plan. We headed back after a visit to the dam. It's called Karapuzha Dam. I'm pronouncing it right. Good. If not, Google it. Okay, about 1 hour ride from, no, 41 minutes ride from Karapuzha Dam to Zostel. So we could visit just two places today because we spent half a day at Edakal Caves. So finally we made it to the British bungalow in Chembra estate. I don't know who stays there. The door and all looks pretty new. Since we stay at Zostel, I guess we are allowed to come up. Otherwise, you're not allowed beyond the checkpost down there. I remember a leech was here stuck on one of these rods, which is all broken now. But yeah, the water flow has reduced a lot. I can easily walk up this waterfall, seems like that now. Last time the amount of water that was flowing was so high and feels so low now. We came up and there is water, it is not that there is no water, but the flow of water is reduced compared to my visit last time here. I guess it was due to the rain that there was so much water previously, but now didn't feel like I would go down there and taste the water like what I did last time. Beaches here. Look at Yatish. Yatish has become a cameraman now. Yatish will start vlogging very soon. Hey mom, the vlogger on iPhone.
No more vlogging for me, dude. I'm done with vlogging.
So we are done for the day. Let's go to Zostel. Mom, pa. Hey mom, ಇದೆ mom ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ರಾಕು.
ಏನು ರಾಕ್ ಇದೆ?
ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
ಓ.
ಇದೆ. So it's time to head back now. Getting dark. Gets dark quite early here. Let's leave.
6 o'clock already.
6 in the evening. Let's call it a day. Have a cup of tea. Order for dinner. Have dinner. Finish it off. So, all Zostlers out at Riders Cafe for cappuccino at night. Unexpected right now. He popped up and said, let's go for a ride. And here we are now. This is what happens when you come to places like this. All like-minded people sitting at the table and having coffee.